Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to insert the copyright symbol in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Docs and here I already have a document in which I have inserted a copyright sign. We have two options for the copyright symbol in Google Docs. The first is under Insert and Special Characters. Here we change from arrows to miscellaneous. I can already find the copyright symbol in this list. If you can't find it here, you can also enter Copy in the search and select it this way. As soon as I click on it, it is already inserted into Google Docs. The second option is even easier. I simply go to the place where I want to insert the copyright symbol and I use the character string opening bracket, C, closing bracket. And this string is converted to a copyright symbol in Google Docs. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!